said. I've been laid back, yeah. I don't wanna skip steps, you know that. So if you're with it, then say yeah. I just need a little bit of patience. You need me, I know that you've been waiting. Down my number twice, promise I'll pick up the line. I see you worried, don't gotta ask why. You like it, I know that you like it. You like it, yeah, you like it. I know that you like it, you like it. You said that you were down just yesterday, hoping you'll stick around and wait for me. I see you wanna come up, but don't switch up on me. Yeah. I know that you, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you. You said that you were down, hoping you'll stick around, hoping you'll be around for me. You said that you were down, 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 yeah, you.
Total of 6 packs looks like so far. This is 6 packs of hair. Okay, so this is pack number 7.
It's been a mess and I'm trying to dial back. Can you stick through it with me or not? And it might take a minute, but we'll get it. The type of love that you want. Like it, I know that you like it. You like it, yeah, you like it. I know that you like it. You like it. You said that you were down just yesterday, hoping you'll stick around and wait for me. I see you wanna come up, but don't switch up on me. Yeah, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you.
This is what 7 complete packs look like. Alright, and I'm going to give you a 360 spin so you can see what she looks like all the way around, y'all. Okay, come through. I personally think that it looks pretty darn good pulled up. Back shot. Stiff, wet. Ooh, half stiff. Not mine. What? The little top part needs to be combed out a little bit. Just a little bit. But she cute. She cute. I like her down. It reminds me of the faux locks I just took out. If you have not seen that, be sure to watch that video, y'all. It is the one I posted right before this one, so make sure you check that out. But I really like it, and the color is not too much, y'all. Let's see what she looks like. Let's see. Pull her back, pull her back, pull her back. Ooh, it's a lot. Okay, this is a lot of hair. So I mean, it's not like overwhelming for me, but I can say that it's what it looks like in the back. That's a ponytail. I think it's really cute and fun. It's not a lot of hair for me, but it does add weight. Like, they're not super lightweight after you add in a whole bunch, but it's not too heavy. It's not too heavy. It's just like your normal faux locks or whatever, any type of hair that you would normally add in. Okay, it's like if you were to go to the beauty supply store and buy 5 packs or 6 packs of hair, and you put all of those packs in, that's pretty much like the same weight that you're gonna get. It's not too heavy, but it does add weight to your hair. So it is something to be mindful of, that if you are sensitive, if you have thinner hair or if you're sensitive, may not want to install as much hair as I did. But for full coverage like I have, you will need to add about 7 packs, 6 or 7 packs, depending upon your head. They did send me 8 packs, so I do have an entire 8 pack, okay? and it came with the crochet latch hook and also rubber bands for those of you who want to install it using the rubber band method, or you may want to use the rubber band method to, if you can't braid, okay, you can band your hair together with the rubber band method. All right, so we're gonna take a closer look at this hair. So each pack comes just like this. Okay. So they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So they have 16 strands on each one, times that by 7. You do the math. That's how many total braids or crochet braids I have in my head, y'all. I've never, ever in the history of crochet hair have I ever seen this color combination. If it's out there, y'all, I promise I have never seen a black ombre blue. Now, what have you been on? Okay, like even the curls, y'all, the curls are ombre. So the curls go from black to blue, like the hair has been dyed this color. So that is really unique, y'all. If you subscribe to my channel, you know I am not shy with color. And I've done blue before, but not this navy blue like this. I am really in love with this hair. Like, and usually, y'all, when I do my hair, I can't stop looking at myself. But usually when I do my hair, it takes me a few days to kind of warm up to the style and to how I look with this hair. But I can absolutely say that the first impression, I love it. I love it. I love it. The website does say that you can cut it if you want a shorter look, but I do not want that. I want to keep this length. This is a sexy length for me. I don't want to go shorter and bob, and if I do, I'll do that when the braids get old. So after I wear them a few times, then I'll go ahead and cut it, or if the ends start looking a little raggedy and funky, then I'll go ahead and cut it. The color is fabulous, y'all. I really love it. Y'all, everywhere I go, I swear people have been staring at my hair. One, because you don't see this color blue anywhere. There's nowhere you're going to find this color blue hair. Okay, I have yet to find this particular color blue hair. Okay, so my shirt is navy. Okay, let me get up close so y'all can see how blue my shirt is. And then this is a comparison of how blue the hair is compared to my shirt. Okay, so it's like, and I just really feel like the camera is not doing the justice of the color, because it's very blue, but it's also a darker blue where it's not too loud and overbearing. It's not an electric blue at all. Okay, and the black roots help to tone down that color blue. I think that in natural lighting, it looks really subtle and it's almost giving off a violet vibe. Okay. On their website, the color is number 2/3, and I will leave a link down below where you can go and purchase this hair. Y'all know I like to rate my crochet braids, so what would I rate these crochet braids? Okay, they're not perfect. I mean, I think I would like for the actual loop to be a little larger, because when you get ready to install it, you have to make sure that you go through the tail end of the crochet braid, because it's kind of hard to open it up or whatever. So, and it does take quite a few packs. I also had to go back and install additional hair in certain spots because I noticed that I did have gaps in it. So I have about 7.5 packs installed in my hair right now, and I'm trying everything in my power to not go back and install that last little bit of that 8th pack. Okay, when you get the hair out of the package, it doesn't have a smell, but what it does smell like is hair that's in a package. It doesn't stink or anything. It just smells like synthetic hair. So if you don't want that synthetic hair smell, be sure to soak your hair in apple cider vinegar. But it doesn't smell, it doesn't stink at all. So that is a plus sign as well. It's easy to install, like it's quick. It took me no time after I braided my hair to install it. When you're doing your cornrows, here is the most important part, y'all. When you are doing your cornrows, don't do like I did. Don't do like I did. When you know better, just do better. Just trust me, do better. Okay? So when you're doing your cornrows, sis, make sure you do your cornrows small and neat. If you having a lazy day like I was having and you bust them raggedy cornrows in your hair, what's gonna happen is that the loop, because it's so small, because the crochet braids are so small, your loop is not going to stay as well as it would with a smaller base. Okay, so that's something to be mindful of when you're installing this hair or any type of crochet braid hair. And the braids themselves are small. Make sure you mimic that size with your cornrows, okay? Because your girl, look, my cornrows was pretty trash, okay, this time. Because I did not feel like doing my hair. But we got it done, okay? So this is what your hair looked like if you did some trash cornrows. I mean, she's still working it. You see her. We still working it or whatever, but the next time I do it or install this hair, I will definitely do better cornrows. Okay, but I think it's fine for right now. I think it's fine. It'll last me a good 4 to 6 weeks, just like this. Okay. Another thing is that the hair. Okay, so you can tell. They say that the hair is handmade, and I believe it because you can see that it's going down the braid. Okay, and they pull out small strands. So each braid has one at the top here, and then another curl here. Okay, and then a curl here, and yeah, and then it's knotted at the end. After you install it, I would not add any mousse or any products to this hair. If you're going for a shinier hair, because this is not overly shiny. Okay, that's another plus about it. I do not like hair that is super shiny. So if you want to add shine to it, I would recommend you getting some kind of wig spray or some type of braid sheen, and then you add that in there, okay? But when you start adding all these products in your hair, you have to be mindful that this is loose hair and you don't want it to get too stiff or too hard, or you don't want an excess of product buildup. Okay, so you want to keep it very simple and modest when you're adding in product. So I would use a light or liquid conditioner to help soften it. If it starts to get a little hard and stiff, then I would actually go in with water from then on, and maybe a little braid sheen to add a little shine to it if my braids start to look dull in the future. Okay, so that is just a couple of tips that I want to give you guys, especially with working with braids. So I was supposed to give a rating, so overall I'm gonna give them like a 94%. Because the only thing that I wish was different was the loop size. I just wish it wasn't as tight around the loop, so that when I get ready to, because I did these big old raggedy braids, I want to be able to pull that loop over itself to help to secure it down further. Okay, but if I had smaller braids, I wouldn't have that problem because the loop is so small, and so that's the only issue. I think it looks really full and voluminous because it is. Let me go ahead and show you guys what it looks like in the back. Let me give you guys a couple of styles. And this is something I would wear to work. This is the half up, half down style. Okay. Let's see what she, oh, okay. What she look like back there, y'all? Yes or no? Tell me yes or no. Is she good? She good or not? Y'all can leave me a comment, let me know. Okay, that's the deep side part right. Yeah, so this is the deep side part right here. And you can pin that if you want. If you know, you don't want to add the faux ponytail right there, you can always cover it with additional hair.
Alright, beautiful people, that is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you are not subscribed, what you waiting on, sis? Go ahead and press that button to become a member of the beautiful people family.